Hello and welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make roasted goat meat. I'm making 2 kilos for around 10 people, so depending on how much you're going to want to make, you're going to want to measure the amount. I'm just rinsing it off and adding it into a pressure cooker with a little water. And I just leave it in for 15 minutes. I then oil my pot. I then put the roasted goat meat into the pot. Here are some of the spices I'm going to be mixing up. I grab a separate bowl and put 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala. I grab 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and half a cup of oil. I also add 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning and a little bit of lemon juice. I then add the spice mixture onto the meat. Here I'm just adding a handful of cilantro, half a bell pepper, 1 chopped onion, and 2 to 3 spicy green peppers. Now I'm just putting it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And here is the final product. All the spices just go really well together. It's one of my favorite meats to have. You could have it with your pasta, with your rice, even with your soups. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe and click the bell notifications if you want to know any other recipes I use. Comment down below any recipes you want me to use. And thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye!
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye!